Good morning, friends. We are over at Creation Station and we are going to make a really quick batch of a single color drop swirl. I'm going to name this one Sunset. The one that we did the other day with the lemon squeeze fragrance oil, I was going to name that Sunshine, but I decided I'm going to name that Sunrise instead. So that was Sunrise. This is going to be Sunset. Just one single color. My fragrance blend is something that I just put together this morning. It consists of notes of lavender, amber, and a warm tea with a splash of citrus. It smells lovely, and I thought it was the perfect scent to wind down at the end of a day. Sunset is my very favorite time of the day. I just love twilight. I love sitting out on my back porch or even my front porch. But enough of that, let's get going. I've got all my safety equipment on, putting my glasses on first this time. Did you guys see the other day when that was just sitting right here next to me? Here I am, la la la. Hey chef, safety first. All right, enough of that. Let's just get this right into the pool. This is going to be exactly the same situation as the other day, just one single color, drop swirl inside of the mold. I loved how that came out the other day. It was beautiful and it smells fantastic. This blend that I created today, oh, yum, yum, yummy. Oh man, that's perfect. That's a perfect scent to fall asleep to after your nighttime shower. All right, let's give this a buzz. I had to get a brand new stick blender because the motor on the blue one is kind of petering out a little bit. It's still kicking, but it's getting ready. So I just got this in the mail yesterday. I actually might just be able to just stir this by hand without blending it. It's coming to emulsion relatively quickly. But just because it looks that way doesn't mean that it is. So let's do our little test here. Let's take a looky-loo and see if anything is breaking apart. It actually is. So let's give it a buzz. All right, now that I've got that blended up, I already have some blue mica that has been dispersed in some of my warmed oils. We're gonna go ahead and split off some of this batch now. 16 ounces, that's what I normally do for a drop swirl inside of the mold. Just a hair over. That's okay. All right, let's mix this up. This is going to be a beautiful blue. I figure yellow to wake us up and blue to soothe us at nighttime and put us to sleep. This scent blend, oh my, I can't wait to smell this in the finished product. Let's get that fragrance in here. I got to smell it one more time. This is just unbelievably beautiful. Oh my gosh. All right, again, this is, it's got notes of lavender, amber, and then a warm tea with a splash of citrus. Oh God, so nice. It's Sunday, and I normally am not over here on Sunday, but I've got a 4-day festival coming up in a week and a half. Just stir with your whisk. Don't use your stick blender again because we've already emulsified this and we don't want the batter to get real thick. Plus, this is a scent blend that I've never worked with before, so I really don't know how it's going to act. So far, so good. But let's just get this into the mold. It's still very nice, pourable, nice and fluid still, which is good because I need to get that drop swirl in there. Oh my gosh, this smell, you guys, I can't stop talking about it. Okay, now that we've got our main batch in here, let's go up top and get this drop swirl in there. Leave me some messages down in the comments below. What is you guys' favorite method of swirling? Do you like in the pot swirls? Do you like drop swirls? Do you prefer doing your swirling in a log mold or a slab mold or even a block mold? Let me know down below. I'm curious what everybody's favorite techniques are. All right, that's all done. Now we're going to take our little spatula doohickey thingy and just give it a little bit of a swirl inside. When I'm doing a in the pot swirl, I don't do this part. I only do this part when I'm doing a drop swirl inside of the mold itself. Let's see, to texture or not to texture the top. Okay, so last we're going to do just a little bit of texturing on the top. I left the other one plain. The sunrise, I just left the top plain. Let's turn this around now so I can get the other side a little bit better. All right. Lastly, we're going to get our alcohol. Give it a spritz. Alrighty, you guys, this one I can go ahead and pick up. It's not too loose. So let's bring you in for a close-up. Alrighty, and that's going to do it for this batch today. So stick around for another couple of seconds, and it's going to be tomorrow for me as normal. And for you guys, it's going to be just a few seconds, but we'll bring you back and we will unmold, cut, take a look at the inside, and smell this delightful goodness. Hang on with me, would you? Okay, friends, it is the next day, and I've gone ahead and unmolded the soap that we made yesterday. Here it is. This is going to be our Sunset soap. All right, let's get this sucker cut. Oh, the smell of this. Although I made another soap right after this yesterday, and I'm calling that Empress, it's even better. It is bergamot, violet, and citrus. And man alive, does it smell good. I'm really digging this new recipe too. This might have to become part of my regular line going forward. I'm just in love with this recipe. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at the inside. Oh, mamacita. Yeah, baby. Look at the beauty-muss. That's fantastic. Now, this was only a one color. Isn't that interesting how it looks black on the outline? All I did was use blue. Here, let me put that over there. Let's just do this one. Oh my, I am in love, you guys. Look at this. Can you guys see the black outline? That's badass. Nice. Oh my God, I have to smell this again. I can't even. Oh, look at this. How beautiful. Oh, this is gorgeous. You all, please. You got to try this. This is unbelievable. I may have to nod off and go to sleep right now. This scent is fabulous. All right, I'm very pleased with this. Here's the other soap, the Empress soap that I did, which smells even better. Again, this is bergamot, violet, and citrus, and it is divine. Okay, I need to go because guess what? It's Monday, and I need to do my Motivational Monday short. So, you guys, if you like this video and all of the other content that I put out, please give it a thumbs up, would you? Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I would be so appreciative. Anyways, till we get back together again though, you guys, take care of yourselves. Be kind, stay humble, make your own good choices.